How to fix Venmo referral bonus not applied. So first thing first guys, since I don't have an access to create a Venmo account in my region, I'll be using screenshot and official information from Venmo to walk you through the process. Now the first thing what you can do is verify eligibility and rules. The referee must be completely new to Venmo or have never sent or received a personal payment before. Actions and sign-ups must be completed within 14 days of creating the referral link, or the referred friend must tap the exact mobile referral link from their phone and sign up inside the app. Now the next what you can do is check your in-app balance. Open the Venmo app, then log into your account. Now once logged in, go to your profile, tap on the invite or referral section, and then look to see if the reward status says pending or completed, or look in the wallet. Referral payouts often route straight to your balance or wallet history rather than triggering an immediate home screen alert. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Venmo app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is go to the existing Venmo app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app from the menu. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go to your app store, find the Venmo app, and then reinstall it from there to clear out outdated transaction displays. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.